So we've got an interesting scenario developing in the overall broader market. Okay, so I did a bunch of videos yesterday talking about crypto and effectively kind of a decoupling event where crypto decouples itself or pulls itself away from stocks. Yesterday, the entire stock market was down, the Dow, Nasdaq, etc. Today, you can see on the screen that we've got a situation where we've got a significant rally going on in the in the stock market. There you go. And a lot of it's really in line with the Russia-Ukraine negotiations. Okay, so now let's flip this and let's talk about the overall crypto market. Okay, so in the Russia-Ukraine negotiations, it would seem that Russia is sending some signals that they're open to some type of, of a pullback in certain areas. Now, there's this counter dialogue going on that's because they've suffered some significant losses in those areas. Okay, so that's where we're at with the Russia-Ukraine scenario. Now, take the human element out of that. It's horrific what's going on there. But beyond that, looking at kind of the financial impact it's had in stock and crypto, you got a couple of interesting things developing. So number one, you have the crypto market really doing its own thing outside of the stock markets and things like that, which is a good thing. Okay, at the end of the day, we're over here doing our own crypto thing. The market has had a nice 2-day plus rally going on, 2.27 trillion in the overall market cap. Bitcoin doing really, really well. And I wanted to show you this. I mean, it has peaked up over 48,000. Okay, that's looking really good. There's a lot of content coming out talking about how Bitcoin could easily reach 53,000 on a triangle break, impending bull cross, and kind of the overall, all the bullish signs that Bitcoin is presenting. Now, even if you don't own Bitcoin, you need to be relevant and not be relevant. You need to be aware. Sometimes the words just get jumbled up. You need to be aware of that, and because again, Bitcoin and Ethereum drive the overall market. Even if you don't own Ethereum, again, be aware of it, right? Always zoom out and be aware of what's going on in the broader market. And so, you know what? I haven't even refreshed this. So let's see where we're at on this. There we go. All right. So we've pulled back a little bit. So we're in that 56.60. That's fine, guys. This is where I want us to be. I really want us to be kind of like right here in between, right in this kind of real yellow, this is like a mild orange to yellow to green scenario. That's where I really want us to be. That's what I consider neutral. If we get way over here, we're going to get into an overbought scenario and we're going to have a correction. It's going to happen. It's just time and time again. That is what is going on. And yes, for those of you guys who are asking, I'm looking at golf equipment. I'm trying to get back into playing golf. So this is me always looking at golf stuff online. It's one of my favorite pastimes. We all have our thing, right? Okay. Bitcoin, yeah, doing its thing, 47.8. So again, Bitcoin looking to cross 53,000. I had Liddy on yesterday on a live stream. He's awesome guy, by the way. Had him on, and we were talking about, and he's thinking that Bitcoin definitely to 60,000 sometime in 2022. Ethereum looking good at 34.55. I like this. It's crossed up to 34.71. We have knocked on the door of 3,500. We got literally to 34.99 in the last 48 to 50 hours. So let's look at some overall opportunities. Okay, so again, we got some movement going on. Waves and Aave, Thorchain, those are your big 24-hour movers. And let's see what our big 7-day movers are. Zilliqa, Loop Ring, interesting. Convex, Waves right there with it. Filecoin, Holo. Chili's making a move up. That's cool. Good to see them doing their thing. ApeCoin, yeah, that doesn't really surprise me. I bought it in the high 13s, but that's a long-term hold for me. Okay, Axie doing its thing and all that. So where we're at right now, kind of the current state of the union, I fully expect us to continue this really nice bull run. Is this the beginning of a long and sustained one? Not enough data to tell us, okay? So just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on me if you want. And by the way, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I'm trying to hit that 200,000 mark. So please give me a subscribe and a like if you haven't already done so. I would love to have you stick around. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Oh, by the way, I need to remind you of this. iTrustCapital, referral link in the description below. Check it out, okay? iTrustCapital, it's IRA retirement account. And again, it's a referral. You can sign up. If you use my link below, you can sign up for free, number one. Number two, you can, if you fund the account, iTrust will put $100 in the account, in your account for you. But look, here's IRA retirement accounts. Everybody should have one. But the cool thing about what iTrust does is that you can buy and sell crypto, including everything from Shiba Inu to Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. This is who I use. I'd highly recommend you check it out. And it's free, so check it out. All right, as always, appreciate you. Have a good one. Bye.